If you're looking for cPanel hosting, chances are you're deciding between Namecheap and Bluehost. Both of these popular options offer solid features, but which one truly stands out when it comes to user experience, reliability, and performance? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know which one takes the crown and if there's a better option out there for your needs. First, let's start with Namecheap. Known for its budget-friendly pricing, Namecheap provides cPanel hosting that's easy to use, even for beginners. The user interface is clean and intuitive, which can help get your website up and running quickly. However, one downside is that while it offers solid performance, Namecheap's support has been hit or miss in the past, with response times sometimes stretching longer than you'd expect. Next, let's talk about Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the biggest names in hosting, and for good reason. It offers reliable performance and seamless cPanel integration. The uptime is generally impressive, and its speed is on par with industry standards. But here's the catch: Bluehost tends to be pricier, especially if you're going for the top-tier plans. The upselling tactics can also feel a bit aggressive, pushing you to purchase add-ons that might not be necessary for your specific needs. The third thing worth noting is the overall customer support. With Namecheap, you're getting 24/7 support, but as mentioned, the quality can vary. They also provide a knowledge base that can be helpful if you prefer to solve issues on your own. On the other hand, Bluehost's support is often more consistent, and they also offer an extensive knowledge base with detailed guides and tutorials. So while Namecheap has the edge when it comes to affordability, Bluehost wins in the consistency department. Next, let's dive into performance.
Both Namecheap and Bluehost provide decent speeds, but Bluehost typically has the edge here. With solid uptime and fast loading times, Bluehost ensures that your website stays accessible to visitors around the clock. While Namecheap is good, it's not as reliable in terms of speed, which can affect your SEO rankings in the long term. Another thing to consider is scalability. Namecheap is a good option for small businesses or personal websites, but
as your site grows, you might find yourself needing more resources. Bluehost, on the other hand, offers a more scalable platform with plans that cater to businesses of all sizes, making it easier to upgrade as your site grows. This is something to keep in mind if you plan to expand your website in the future. The last thing to mention is the pricing structure. Namecheap is a more budget-friendly option, offering low-cost plans that can be very appealing if you're just starting out. Bluehost, though more expensive, gives you more features in its higher-tier plans. But keep in mind that while Namecheap may seem cheaper initially, you might end up paying more in the long run for additional features and services that are included in Bluehost's pricier plans. Now, after trying both Namecheap and Bluehost myself, I can say they both have their merits, but if you're looking for an alternative that delivers better features, performance, and value for the long haul, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and a better free trial than anything Namecheap or Bluehost offers. The softwares mentioned here are good, but if you're serious about your website's success, it's worth trying out this alternative to get the results you want with a seamless cPanel hosting experience. Take advantage of the free trial and see for yourself how it compares. You'll thank me later.